What type of military gig is this one? That ZBC labels handover takeover. Sana mina mashoko tuna vanhu voya panapa vachikriticize vachiva vachiti aiwa chichiri kuitika zvatiri kuona kuti aiwa mahanding over epower aiwa kumilitary awandisa. Takamaona mamwe achiitika kuInkomo Barracks, yesterday tikamaona achiitika aiwa kuKhumalo Barracks. Sana mina mashoko mudanyura panapa kuti subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina panapa muzimu aiva nomudanyura vachiti Brigadier General Lawrence Munzararikwa took over the army unity as the brigade following the reassignment of Brigadier General Mpulenga Siziva. Siziva now assumes the position of Director General, Field Operations and Plans in the Zimbabwe Defense Forces headquarters in Harare. In quotes, as information, I carried out operations against illegal gold panning and market welding gains to support the ZRP. Relatedly, we currently have security forces deployed in Gokwe to curb the smuggling of goods outside the country. Together with my colleagues from JOC, we have managed to address the various security challenges, Brigadier General Siziva said. The Zimbabwe National Army Commander Lieutenant General Anzimbe Msanyatwe, who was the chief witnessing officer, urged the military personnel to uphold the constitution. The people of Zimbabwe have high hopes and expectations for a better future. Accordingly, as the Zimbabwe National Army, we should discharge our constitutional mandate to ensure conducive and tranquil environment prevail for the attainment of national programs. ZBC News Bulletin concluded with a statement saying, the Zimbabwe National Army is mandated to safeguard the country's territorial integrity from the country's detractors. What do you think is going on? Mashoko ari kuitika panapa vanhu vachiona kuti aiwa kumilitary kungoitwa mahandover takeover nemapower transition, vanhu vachingoanzi aiwa uyu ndiye ava kutungamira this unity, uyu hasisipo zvikazodai. Mashoko ari kuda panapa vanhu vachiona kuti aiwa kune maarmy general vamwe akatsakatika nawo kwakuitika mapower transition nemahandover takeover. Mbudzi mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi? Pinda comment section medu semafunguro enyu, so subscribe or like, so on the bell icon.